Welcome to an energy flow for assisting your body healing itself. Lie back, get comfortable, and really relax. Take a few deep breaths, exhaling any tension. Inhaling lightness. And scan your body from head to toe. What is the energy in your body right now as it's resting? Notice. Is it stagnant? Is it buzzing with energy? Are there places where it's mixed? So to begin with, we're just noticing and breathing. And let's lower any barriers you have to your body, to perceiving what's going on in and around your body. Even the barriers we use for protection, push them down. You can have them back later if you like. Begin to expand your awareness beyond your body, creating a bubble around your body that fills the entire room that you're in. Your body being inside the bubble. And now tap into the energy of the earth and pull that energy through the bubble, through your feet, creating awakening, enlivening, vibration in your feet, drawing it up through your body, through all the organs, into your shoulders, down into your hands, out to your fingertips, and up your neck and out your eyes and the top top of your head. Pulling this earth energy up through the body, up and out the fingertips, the eyes, and the crown of the head, filling the bubble. And then circling back through the feet, through the body. And keep that circle going like a fountain of light and energy that comes out the crown and gets absorbed back in the feet. And let this energy go to all the dark places and spaces, the stuck places, the painful places in your body, allowing the energy and the light to break apart any tension, to melt any pain. To reconnect synapses, to return the cells to their natural state of health. And perceive your body now. Perceive the tingles, the vibration, however subtle it may be. Put your attention on it and ask to turn it up. Can you turn it up more? And can you turn it up more? And what if you could allow that flow to continue? Continue cycling without stopping or slowing, without effort. Tuning your body to this frequency of aliveness, and relaxation. And you can turn this on and continue practicing even on low volume or silent, and keep the energy going. Put it on a loop. Sleep with it going. And notice how your cells become more generative and more youthful simply by your request. And you can expand your bubble out further, beyond the walls, beyond the ceiling, beyond the floor, expanding farther and farther out until you encompass the entire planet, and keeping the flow moving through the bubble from the earth, through you, through the bubble. And don't worry if at first you sense the energy and then it feels like it slips away. What if that's just you becoming used to that vibration? Just allow it to be and notice what you notice. Turn it on as often as you like in your own body, and allow it to run as much as you like. Allow it to create ease and joy, relaxation, and health of the